Rob from overlandgearguy.com, and we got the Sprinter seat cover. You'll probably notice this is a transit van and not the Sprinter, but it works perfectly. Just goes around anything with a headrest. This strap does not go around the front of the seat. Originally designed to hold like a 400mm lens, so it'd hang down through there. This would keep it secure. Most people don't have that, but it works great for a coat, sleeping bag, blanket, stuff like that. And then it'll adjust out, so you can just keep stuff there if you want. But if you don't want it, just take it off. Stuff that you can put in here. Got a camera in here. You can put extra batteries, different stuff in there. Slip pockets all over the place here. Zipper pockets. All a MOLLE system. You can attach all different types of pockets here, or you can just clip stuff on there like that. This is designed for a couple laptops. Here's a 15-inch. Put another one there, some iPads, different stuff like that that you want to keep there. Just show you real quick how the straps go on here. Basically, just stick it around here, stick it down the edge of the seat, come right out here, and then just clip it in there. Adjust it to the tightness you want. This needs to be a little more snug here. We can do that here. Clip there. Same on the other side. And that's pretty easy how it goes on. Check it out, overlandgearguy.com.